Hello all, it's Sharon. In today's video I'm going to be putting together a STEM dough kit for my son. So these first two items came from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to be taking out some of the hearts and the white stars. The star one has already been opened, so hopefully I don't drop those. But I also have this large box that's by Crafts by Dollarama, so that's what I'll be using to store things in. And then I have this Make It Blocks container. The lid you can actually build on. And then there's 4 separate compartments inside. I don't know if I can get this label off to show you. I kind of just snuck into Nate's room and took some of his Legos out. I grabbed like a handful and then I took out the red, white, and blue. So I thought he could use those and build on here with the Play-Doh and the other items. So we have that. And then I have this little dough kit with the red and blue Play-Doh that came from my local little Looney Bazaar store. And also these pipe cleaners are very shiny, came from the Looney Bazaar as well. I might cut some of these up. I have this little flag, I believe came in a large set from Amazon with different flags. I don't have the Canada one for some reason. I must have left it at the daycare where I used to work, but I'm going to include the American one. Then I have these 2 plastic maple leaves. Those are like from Dollarama back in the fall time. Also Dollarama are these little Play-Dohs in white and green. I also have the Safari LTD tube, and it is the North American Wildlife tube. I got this at Michael's. They average around $14 Canadian, but if you have the 40% coupon off, you can get a discount on them. But this has a lot of the North American animals in it. So this STEM dough kit that I am putting together is going to be themed towards Canada and the United States of America in honor of Canada's Day and the Independence Day. So that's what I'm going to be putting together for my son. So I'll kind of get things out of packages and I'll show you how the little container looks up, like set up for him. That way when he wakes up in the morning time, he'll have it all ready for him to go and play with. Just before I put together this bin, I do want to keep in mind that if you are putting something together like this for your child, do keep in mind the items that you are putting in are age appropriate and they're not choking hazards, and make sure the activity is well supervised. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue building this box for my son. Also, the Play-Doh from the Looney Bazaar came with this little cutting tool here, so Nate can put the Play-Doh in the back here and then push it out, and there's a little heart-shaped little cookie cutter kind of thing, so he can make a chain of hearts if he wants as well. So I'm just gonna open, before I show you how I put this together, I'm just gonna open the tube and show you the different animals that come in case you're interested in purchasing this item. So these are all animals that you would find in North America, so Canada and the USA. Now the writing on them is super tiny, so I might get some of them wrong, but we have a moose, a beaver, some type of mountain sheep maybe, or goat. We have a brown bear, a cougar, a buffalo. There's this one here. We have a wolf, another type of goat, a reindeer, a raccoon, very popular in Toronto. And then we have this little adorable otter holding a fish. So yeah, these little animals are super adorable. So when he opens the box, it will look like this. So we have the red and blue Play-Doh. There are these pipe cleaners, these sparkly ones. There are ones that are a little bit shorter. I just cut them in half. And then the little cutters there on the side. And then this could be a surface to build things with the Play-Doh and the pipe cleaners and the Lego blocks. And then, you could build little homes for the animals. So I have the animals here. They didn't all fit in this section, so I put the moose and the beaver over here. We have the Legos, the green and whites, because I thought if Nate wanted to do snow or grass, he could do that as well. And we'll just move these 2 for a second. So in here I just have the little maple leaves, the hearts and stars, and the little American flag. So yeah, the beauty of these STEM dough kits is the child is kind of free to use the materials how they want, and they can create things. Nate will make houses for animals, or he'll make flowers depending on whatever's in the kit. And you know, he just gets to use his imagination and just create things as he would like. So that's what I like about it. And he often will tell me like stories about what he's doing in the little setups that he does, which is always great as well. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and I will talk to you in the next one. Take care and bye for now.